This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to create a pie chart in PowerPoint. Pie charts are a fantastic way to visually represent data, making complex information easier to understand at a glance. Whether you're preparing for a presentation or simply want to enhance your report with a clear visual, creating a pie chart in PowerPoint is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide where you'd like to insert your pie chart. This is important because the chart will be added directly to the active slide, so make sure you're in the right spot. Once you're there, turn your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the ribbon. The ribbon is a crucial part of PowerPoint, housing all the tools you need for creating and editing your presentation. On the ribbon, you'll see various tabs like Home, Insert, Design, and more. For our purposes, click on the Insert tab. This tab is your go-to for adding anything new to your slide, be it text boxes, images, or charts. Once you've clicked on the Insert tab, look for the section labeled Illustrations, which is where you'll find the Chart button. Click on this button to open the Insert Chart window. Now, in the Insert Chart window, you'll see a variety of chart types listed on the left-hand side. These are organized to help you quickly find the style that best suits your data presentation needs. Since we're focusing on pie charts, click on Pie from the list. You'll notice several style options appear on the right, including a two-dimensional pie chart, a donut chart, and even a three-dimensional pie chart. Choose the style that best fits your aesthetic or presentation needs. For example, if you want something classic and simple, go for the two-dimensional pie chart. If you're looking to add a bit of flair, the three-dimensional option might be the way to go. Once you've selected your desired style, click OK. After clicking OK, PowerPoint will automatically insert a basic pie chart into your slide along with a small Excel spreadsheet. This spreadsheet is where you'll enter the data you want to visualize. At first, the spreadsheet will contain some default data, but you can easily replace this with your own. Simply click into the cells and type in your data values and corresponding labels. The pie chart will update in real time to reflect the changes you make in the spreadsheet. This feature is incredibly handy as it allows you to see exactly how your data will look in chart form as you input it. When you're satisfied with the data you've entered and how the chart looks, you can close the Excel window. Your pie chart is now part of your PowerPoint slide and ready to be further customized. You can click on the chart to move it around the slide, resize it, or use additional formatting tools on the ribbon to adjust colors and styles to better fit your presentation theme. And there you have it. You've successfully created a pie chart in PowerPoint. This simple guide has walked you through each step, ensuring you can easily add this valuable visual tool to your presentation. With a pie chart, your audience will find it much easier to grasp complex data, making your presentation more effective and engaging. Keep practicing, and soon creating charts will become second nature. Happy charting!